In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch text in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to create bold, custom stretch lettering right inside Canva using a built-in app, and you'll be able to place it perfectly in your design. Start by opening Canva. Once you're on your home page, open any template or a blank design where you want your stretched text to live. This gives you a canvas to preview your text and make sure it fits your overall layout, colors, and style. On the left sidebar, click Apps. This is where Canva keeps extra tools that extend what you can do. In the search bar at the top of the Apps panel, type Typecraft. When it appears, click it to open. Typecraft is what we'll use to create that custom stretch effect. It's fast, flexible, and designed to produce clean, stylized text graphics. In the Typecraft window, you'll see a text box. Type any words you want to stretch. This could be a headline, a short phrase, or a single, impactful word. Keep legibility in mind. Shorter words often look stronger when stretched, while longer ones may need more subtle adjustments. Now choose Custom. This unlocks manual control so you can shape your text exactly the way you envision it. You'll see draggable dots around your text. Click and drag those dots toward the corners or edges to pull the text outward, inward, or across. Think of them like anchor points that let you sculpt the word. Make small moves and check the spacing between letters as you go so the design stays readable. To add a dynamic tilt, drag and hold to the left, right, top, or bottom to angle the text. Pulling more strongly increases the skew and creates drama. Lighter pulls keep it subtle. If you want a symmetrical look, turn on the mirror type option below. This reflects your shape and can create stylish, poster-ready effects. When you're satisfied, click Add to Design. Your stretched text is now placed on your canvas as a graphic element. From here, resize using the corner handles so it scales proportionally without distortion. If you need to fit it into a layout, try adjusting the size first, then fine-tuning the stretch back in Typecraft if necessary for crisp edges. Finally, reposition it by dragging it into place. Align it with other elements and nudge with your arrow keys for precise placement. That's it. Open your design, use Typecraft, customize the stretch, mirror if you like, add it to your page, then resize and reposition for a polished result.